Viewers, the comment from Pakistan's defense minister praising the Congress-NC alliance and NC's promise to restore Article 370 in Kashmir has sparked a fierce debate. Prime Minister Modi has launched a scathing attack on the Congress, accusing them of compromising India's culture and heritage for votes. The BJP has been quick to call out Congress for embracing Pakistan's agenda, which raises serious concerns about national security. With the Congress manifesto eerily silent on the issue, it's clear that the alliance with NC is driven by vote bank politics rather than a genuine concerns for Kashmir's welfare.
पाकिस्तान में कांग्रेस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के अलायंस की बल्ले बल्ले हो रही है। पाकिस्तान में पाकिस्तान के डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कांग्रेस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का खुलकर समर्थन किया है। पाकिस्तान से उनका कहना है कि आर्टिकल 370 और 35A को लेकर कांग्रेस और एनसी का एजेंडा वही है जो पाकिस्तान का एजेंडा है। यानी कांग्रेस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की पोल खुद पाकिस्तान ने खोल दी है। यानी कांग्रेस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस यहां पर पाकिस्तान का एजेंडा लागू करना चाहते हैं। लेकिन मोदी आज कांग्रेस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस को डंके की चोट पर कह रहा है, हम जम्मू कश्मीर में पाकिस्तान के एजेंडा को लागू नहीं होने देंगे। दुनिया की कोई ताकत जम्मू कश्मीर में आर्टिकल 370 की वापसी नहीं करा सकती।
मेरा ख्याल है पॉसिबल है। देखें, बड़ी पोटेंट इस वक्त प्रेजेंस है वहाँ पे कांग्रेस की भी और नेशनल कांग्रेस की भी, दोनों की। और इस इशू के ऊपर जो है मेरा ख्याल है कि जितनी मोटिवेट हुई है वादी की पॉपुलेशन, स्पेशली वादी से बाहर भी, लेकिन जो वादी में जो हुई है, तो मेरा ख्याल है कि उनको बहुत चांस है कि ये जो कोलिशन है ये हुकूमत में आए। और जैसे कि उन्होंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा है, बल्कि ये एक इलेक्शन इशू बनाया हुआ उन्होंने कि स्टेटस जो है रिस्टोर होना चाहिए।
Let's open this up. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji joins us. Guru Prakash, national spokesperson of the BJP. Karan Verma, Vivek Srivastava, stay on. Mr. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, you must be very happy. Pakistan is praising your alliance.
Pranesh, first and foremost, you know the stated position of the Congress party as of now with regards to 370. Of course, the manner in which Article 370 was abrogated and the insulted, how the BJP government had insulted the people of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, that's another point of view. But after the Supreme Court ruling on 370, Congress party is very clear, there is no more debate to it on Article 370.
No, Vivek,
but Congress party has always raised the concerns about the last 10 years in which
Kamruzaman ji, if the stated position of the Congress party is 1 minute, sir, if the stated position that you're talking about on Article 370 is clear, why are you even in alliance with the National Conference? Because their stated position is clearly opposite to what you are suggesting.
So that means National Conference is an anti-national party according to you? So it should not have been fighting the elections. PDP is an anti-national party. The only national party in the country is the Bharatiya Janata Party with full of its jumlas. Last 10 years they could not get back even a single Kashmiri party into the valley.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, you can say anything about the PDP or the NC. Targeted those are your words, not mine. I'm sure you've read the NC manifesto. It talks about restoring Article 370. What is your position on that? Do you agree with the NC manifesto? If not, why are you in an alliance? It's a simple question. I've asked you that question couple of times here. We don't have all the time. Guru Prakash, what do you make of this?
No, I think, Pranesh, it is very important for us to understand that the comment by the Defense Minister of Pakistan, Khwaja Asif, is a direct attack, it's a direct assault on the democracy of India. It is undermining the constitutional practices. When the Defense Minister of Pakistan says that the Shehbaz Sharif government and the Congress National Conference Party, they are on the same page with respect to restoration of Article 370. I am surprised that there are still takers, there are still people who can come on national television and defend this position. Foreign influence in Indian electoral process. What is it, Pranesh? What do you make of it? Point number one. Point number two, Mr. Rahul Gandhi will go across the country, will travel across the globe, SC, ST, OBC, and he will be in alliance with National Conference. National Conference in its manifesto has promised that the moment they come to power, they will abrogate, they will remove reservation. The Congress party is silent. This is the convenience of Congress party. We will be silent on 370. We will be silent on reservation. We will be silent on the empowerment of women. What is this? Pakistan has always wanted, Pranesh, the internationalization of Kashmir issue. Pakistan has always maintained this. And now there is an official Pakistan spokesperson, a representative of the Pakistani establishment, a representative of the Pakistani government saying that the opposition parties are with us on the same page. But there is a history to it, Pranesh. Itihas hai.
Itihas to hai. I'll tell you. The points that you are raising, Guru Prakash.
Pakistan ke zameen pe.
The points that you are raising, if I put that question to Vivek Srivastava, who's already smiling, he will say, Mohan Bhagwat picked up the phone, spoke to Khwaja Asif, asked him to appear on a Pak television channel and make this point. Vivek ji, don't disappoint me and the viewers.
I'll tell you what. Mr. Paswan, it is your party. When you removed 370, you got a whole busload of foreign tourists, diplomats from various countries, took them to Kashmir, said हमने हटा दिया है, किसने internationalize किया? And today, that Pakistani spokesperson, foolishly, he is talking of our elections, he is endorsing us. The moment he says 370 is there or not there, he is actually saying that yes, Kashmir is an integral part of India and falls under the Indian Constitution. We don't need any Pakistani over here. It is not needed. And the way you remove 370, and what did you say? 10 साल बाद तो साहब आप चुनाव करा रहे हैं कश्मीर का. After 10 years, you didn't have the guts to come and face the ballot box. And you're talking of democracy. 10 years. 10 years you kept the state almost under the army rule. And you're talking of democracy in Kashmir. Amit Shah ji, the Home Minister, Honorable Home Minister of India, said 3 महीने में normal कर देंगे कश्मीर को. 5 साल हो गए sir.
Okay.
And terrorism has still not been wiped out.
Vivek Srivastava, now when I ask you this question, don't say आपने बोलने नहीं दिया. Now answer this question. Answer this question.
No.
Kashmir integral part of India.
Yes.
No doubts on that.
Yes.
Wonderful. Will you condemn the Abdullahs for taking a position which is against the idea of India?
Are you talking about?
I am talking about the question. You know what I am talking about.
Are you talking
they want
about
to restore Article 370.
If you are talking about the restore, they are free to do it.
They are free to do it.
Country.
Why?
They are a party recognized by the Election
Commission
of India. Yes, they are free to do it.
Oh.
There's nothing. I mean, it is the
Karan
central government. If it
Verma,
doesn't,
देखिए कितना समय लगा. 30 seconds लगा.
But yes,
from Kashmir is integral part of India to they are free to do it.
मैं बड़ा clear हूँ. Central government के अंडर है. उनका constitutional right है.
Karan, 30 seconds will have to take a break.
अरे इनका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट है टू डिप्राइव दलित्स ऑफ देयर राइट्स बिकॉज वहां पर नाइदर वॉज देयर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ अट्रॉसिटीज अगेंस्ट दलित्स. Because of Article 370 and 35A, Dalits did not get reservation. Prevention of Atrocities Act wasn't there. Prevention against domestic violence wasn't there. Prevention of Corruption Act wasn't there. So Vivek Srivastava in a way is tacitly saying it's fine if these acts are not there. But Pranesh, I want to make a larger point. Kamru Zaman said that we are all against Article 370 now. Sir, Digvijay Singh 12th June 2021 is on record saying we want to bring back Article 370. ये कांग्रेस की भी stated position है. And कांग्रेस का पाकिस्तान प्यार is known to us, Pranesh. It was B.K. Hari Prasad who said Pakistan is BJP's enemy. It is not our enemy. Sam Pitroda questioned Balakot.
No, from
it was
Pannu to Pakistan, the
who went to
Congress,
Pakistan said,
and in this case the Congress NC
Digvijay Singh
have another endorsement. Let's leave it at that. We'll leave it to the viewers to judge. I thank all of you for joining us on India Front. The news are on the other side. Stay with us.